guys, this is AJ with HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove the factory front headlight on your 23.5 plus Road Glide. And first, we remove the fairing, and if you'd like to know how to do that, we have a link in the description below to help you guys out. Some tools you'll need for this removal are going to be a drill and some bits, and if you want to use hand tools, you will need a T25 and a T27, along with a body or trim tool to pry. You're going to want to start off by putting your fender cover on. Now we're going to remove the bottom bolts that hold the light on. They are a T27. We're going to go to the top and remove the two bolts furthest in on the headlight. Okay, for this next part, you're going to want to recruit a friend because this headlight is fairly heavy. We're going to take these top two bolts off, and Alex here is going to hold the light to keep it from falling out. Alex is going to pull it out, and you have a plug in the back of it that you're just going to want to get underneath with the clip, push down, and pull. And that is the removal of your 23.5 plus Road Glide front headlight. Thanks for watching.
See ya later.